Hello everyone, this is Deepti. Thank you for joining me. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this fun anniversary card using mirror stamping technique. I'm using this cute ant from Inky Stampers Ant Stamp Set and the Distress ink because I'm planning to do no line coloring, but you can use any slow dry ink. You can find list of all the supplies in the description below. And I'm not going to use mirror stamping tool for this technique. If you don't know what is mirror stamping tool, it's just a clear silicone stamp without any design. Instead, I will be using backside of any bigger stamp I have. Make sure this bigger stamp is bigger than the stamp you are going to mirror. Let's get started. First, I ink the image which we are going to reverse with Distress ink and stamped the backside of the bigger stamp. Now all the ink is transferred there. Now I stamped back it to the paper. I'm using watercolor paper. I stamped the other end using the same Distress ink and I did no line coloring. By the way, I forgot to push the play button and couldn't film the blue guy, but you can see me coloring the pink one. Once I was done with the coloring, I fussy-cut both the ends. To make this kind of window card, you need coordinating die set, and my idea was to keep the front panel simple where blue guy is thinking uh, time to celebrate, and then when you open the card I have stenciled the background with lots of hearts with the pink one also, and the sentiment says happy anniversary. Yeah, I really like Inky Stampers Pun sentiments. And actually, if you see after so many years, or not even so many years, when you live together, it's instead of anniversary, it's anniversary only. I love it. Okay, you enjoy rest of the video. I really enjoyed making this fun card. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.